Today, we're going to open the Shopkins Vending Machine. Vending Machine Storage Tin, which we got from Toys R Us. It looks like a lot of fun. Let's open it up. Here it is. Okay. How does this work? You just, it's, okay. It's just, oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. So it looks like a vending machine, but it's a tin to keep your Shopkins in. And I tell you, those tiny little Shopkins are easy to lose. We've been keeping them in a plastic bag, but this will be a lot nicer than a plastic bag. Okay, so let's, there they are. Now, which are these? Let's look in the collector's guide and see. Well, it looks like a stick of butter. What do we have? Okay, here's the collector's guide, and we're trying to find which figurines these are. Looks like a stick of butter. What do you think it looks like? It's got purple on the bottom.
I think it's chocolate.
You think it's chocolate? Okay.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, where's the sweet treats then? Here are the sweet treats. Cheeky chocolate? That's the wrong color. Well, wait. Could it be cheeky chocolate of a different color?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It's cheeky. See, look. See that picture?
It is.
That's cheeky chocolate. And let's hold up cheeky chocolate. Show. There she is. Miss Cheeky Chocolate. Or purple Cheeky Chocolate. Okay, and let's see the other. The other one is Pretzel. Where's Pretzel on here? Will she be in the bakery? Pretzel.
No, she's in the one above it.
She's in the one above it. There are so many. The pantry? Where? Party food. Oh. Pretzel, number 1092. There she is. So we've got two more to add to the Shopkins collection. We've got this neat storage bin. It looks like a vending machine, and that is going to hold a lot of Shopkins. And I guess we're going to start checking these off on this collector's guide, because we haven't been doing that. But that's what makes it fun, right? To see what you're missing and see what you get. Almost like, yeah, it's almost like getting a blind bag or something, right? So there you have the Shopkins Vending Machine Storage Tin. And their slogan is, once you shop, you can't stop.
I like them.
I like them too.